This should be our resin. It is. There's our resin. And this is, it is like a lucky dip, yeah. And then this is the nozzle. And there's nothing else in there. And then in here is a little map. And we have a tiny little anvil. A tiny little hammer. And little tiny emery board, which I could probably do for my nails. Well, I don't mind because all of these miniatures are to go up in the big doll's house. So, oh no, it means that we're just going to get lots of weaponry. Now in here is our mold. I don't mind repeats. So this is our mold. As you can see, it is tiny. Boop, no comments. So we have this is the one that we are making. So as you can see, they're all our bits and pieces, and then you get all of the instructions. So that is what we are making. We are making, oh my God, queer Swede. We are talking tiny. I'm going to flip you around just because this makes my life a little bit easier, but I'm going to push you back all the way here. Or, you know what? We won't. We will do it this way, and we do it this way. Oh, welcome back, Kings. So what you do is, hopefully this resin is warm enough. I'm just going to just kind of just hold it in my hand. Not that my hands are warm. The little anvil and hammer is just really, really cute. I always have issues taking the resin off. Let's take the tape off first. That would help. Sometimes these bits are really fiddly. There we go. And then out, take the lid off. Like this. And in there is our resin. Now, in order to get it all the way down to the bottom of there, we need to add this. And then we add our nozzle. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to turn it upside down. And give it a little tap.